Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to use Midjourney's version 4 AI art algorithm. So let's start. So the easiest way to use Midjourney is to log in using your Discord account. So you can log in using your Discord account, and if you don't have a Discord account, you can go ahead and create one. It's quite simple and straightforward. Okay, so first open up a web browser, and in here you can go ahead and type in discord.gg/midjourney. All right, so here it is going to ask you to continue to Discord. All right, so here it is going to bring you to Midjourney server. Okay, so once in here, you can click on one of the newbies in here. Let's choose this one. Now to use version 4, you can type in your prompt, and at the end you can add --v space 4 to use version 4 algorithm. Now if you don't want to keep on typing --v4, you can type in /settings, and in here you can just choose version 4. Now it is going to add that to your prompt by default. And here in the chat box, you can actually type / and the word imagine. Next to it, you can add a description of what artwork you want to come out. So you can either use a single word to describe the artwork, or you can also use a complex phrases to create the artwork. Now after that, you can tap on enter, and the AI is going to give you 4 different images for the artwork. You can choose which one from the 4, and you can later download it to your local device. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.